Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So I'm back at the bittersweet house flip project today. If you've been following along, you know I've been doing a ton of work on the inside of the house, but I've been trying to focus on getting some stuff done outside before winter comes. And my project today is I'm going to see if I can rejuvenate this old driveway. As you can see, this thing is completely overgrown. There's more grass and weeds and rocks in this thing. And my initial plan was I was going to spray all this and then bring in a load of gravel, and I may end up doing that yet, but I decided that before I do that, I'm gonna do some blading on this thing and see if I can see exactly what's here for gravel. I started scraping on it just a little bit last night, just to kind of scratch the surface. It does seem like there's a decent amount of gravel here, but it's going to take a bunch of work with the box blade to see if I can bring this thing back to life. So I just thought I'd turn the camera on and we'll make some passes up and down in this driveway, smooth it out a little bit, rough it up, and see if I can kill off the weeds. And then once I get it scraped up, I can make a determination on whether or not I'm going to need to bring in a load of gravel or not. I'll show you guys real quick. All that, I was raking the weeds and grass out of there and just dumping it in the ditch over here. And there's all the grass that I pulled out of the driveway. So there you go. It's not perfect, and honestly it probably could use a little bit more gravel. I've got a little bit of a low spot there. I might try to dress that a little bit and take care of this low spot, but for the most part that is like 99% better than it was. You can see there's some grass and stuff in there, but the vast majority of it I got out. So there's actually pretty decent gravel in here. It's a little bit thin in some places, but for the most part it's passable. And I think for now I'm just gonna leave it. I don't think I'm gonna bother bringing any more gravel in here. The next person that owns this house, if they want to do that, they can top dress it. Or if I find some pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, maybe I'll do it. But I think for now I'm gonna call it good, considering that my budget on this house is, I don't know, I'm north of $80,000 on the rehab. Probably pushing 85 here pretty soon. So I'm not gonna worry about doing any more gravel on that. Big improvement, big improvement. Glad I did that. So next project, if you guys are interested, I've got pea gravel. Mentioned this in another video, but I've got pea gravel all over the place. Previous owner loved pea gravel. It's all there in front of the house, and I've got a load of it here between the house and the garage. So I need to get this scraped up, cleaned up. Not exactly sure how this is gonna go, but it's pretty deep. There's I don't know, some places there's like 6 inches of pea gravel there, so that's gonna take a little bit of work to get all that out of there, but I wanna get that out too so we can get some grass growing in there. But that's it for right now for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoyed that, do me a favor and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.